Google Sheets is a powerful tool. Many of its features are quite straightforward, but what about some hidden or less known options? Whether you're new to Google Sheets, or you're just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to our channel, where we explore some of the latest innovations in tools, technologies and AI updates, everything in a simple and easy way. Google Sheets has a huge number of options and features. We've chosen a few, and we have to say, the ninth is one of our favorites so far. Google Translate. Not the one you usually use, but the function in Google Sheets which lets you translate from any language. You have to provide the text you want translated and the source and target language. Simple as that. You can even drag the fill handle at the bottom of the formula cell down to apply this formula to more than one cell. Explorer feature. Perhaps not ideal for everyone, but sometimes you just need to quickly analyze large datasets in Google Sheets. We know that might be quite difficult, but not anymore. You can now use Explorer. It will help you find meaningful patterns and key figures. Click anywhere in the data and then press Alt plus Shift plus X on your keyboard or select the Explore icon in the lower right corner of Google Sheets. A sidebar containing a preliminary analysis of your data will show up on the right side. A pivot table and a few charts are also included. The list with keyboard shortcuts. Did you know that you can easily access a list with all Google Sheets keyboard shortcuts? Just press the Control key plus / symbol. It will open a window with shortcuts organized by category. Which is your favorite and most frequent shortcut in Google Sheet or in Excel? Comment below. We have quite a few, but one of them is Alt plus D plus F, which adds a filter for all selected columns. Let function. This is not really a popular one, but it is highly efficient. It gives you the option to assign variables in the form of a calculation. You can then use the variable in one or more if statements. It will make your formula look clean and more readable. Customs functions via script editor. Are the present features not enough for your work in Google Sheets? You can add custom functions with AppScript. It will add a JavaScript-based code that specifies your custom function. You can get AppScript by clicking Extension and then choosing AppScript. A new tab or window will open to display the AppScript. Google Sheets add-ons. If you don't want to learn JavaScript, you can always use other extensions. You can add them by going to the main menu, then Add-ons, and get add-ons. Here you can search for Google Sheet add-ons. Speaking of extensions, if you want to be more efficient in Google Chrome, go and check our latest video about the best Chrome extensions. Revert to a previous version. Did you know that you can go back to an earlier version of your spreadsheet? Select the link that starts with Last Edit Was in the upper right corner. This will show a right sidebar listing past versions of the spreadsheet. Edit history. Another feature of Google Sheets is the ability to view the edit history of a specific cell. Right-click on the cell, then select Edit History. A little box will appear listing each edit that has been made, with a set of arrows for navigating back and forth through the edit history. Change the link of the spreadsheet to automatically copy it. If you want to share your work with other users, but you want them just to copy it on their Google Drive without making any modifications, you can simply edit the ending of the link to your spreadsheet by changing the edit portion to copy. Hyperlink. Simple and yet so useful to insert links to external sites. Google Sheets has a built-in hyperlink function. You copy your URL link and add a label which you want to be shown. Both of them have to be in quotation marks. What do you think about these features? Tell us which you find the most useful. We are doing our best to bring you up-to-date content, so if you want to help the channel, please give us a like and subscribe.